The markets have been in an uptrend, which was bringing us back up into the trading range that the indexes were trading in uh, prior to the big sell-off last Wednesday. But today was significant in the sense that it gapped up through the resistance level in the Dow, as well as the NASDAQ coming back up through the recent highs. And note the fact that they gapped it up through that level. You got to understand what the psychology of investors are, that if they know this is a resistance level and they're gapping it up through that level, that pretty much tells you they aren't concerned about this resistance anymore, but they expect more upside. Watching where signals occur on any chart allows the candlestick investor to have a great advantage. Note how when crude oil in the March or in the July contract hit right at the 50-day moving average and slammed off. That was one telling indication. However, if you draw a line right down through the parallel or these tops, you've got a parallel line right down here. So that trend channel was relevant, making the bottom of this trend channel a likely target if you're shorting crude oil, and or if you were playing the crude oil stocks. This tells us that there's more than likely going to be some more weakness to the downside. And one of the strongest indicators, the T-line, helps candlestick investors get or have more confidence versus getting scared out of a position. As we can see in Amazon, ever since it broke up through the T-line, there was times to take profits, there was times to get back in. But currently, the uptrend back up above the T-line is heading for the first target. Today, the high was $9.99, and there hasn't been any signs of selling yet. So we're watching to see exactly what's happened at this level. But the confidence builder was if we were buying calls here or here, as long as it didn't do a confirmed sell signal below the T-line, we could stay long. Anything that we can use to verify what's happening in investor sentiment, the T-line being one of the strongest indicators, keeps our emotional trading out of our trading factor and uses just common sense support and resistance indicators with the candlestick signals to keep us in good profitable positions. That same scenario can be applied to our Netflix trade. Notice how today they did a little kicker type signal gap up, making this a J-hook pattern with the prospects that this will continue in a 45-degree, the same trajectory as the previous trend. So the visuals of candlestick analysis allows us to see where the strength of a price move is and kind of expect what the next price move results will be after that. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.